Hey folks, Tom DiGregorio, founder of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. You know, we have a lot of foundation repair issues in the Atlanta area, and most people don't realize that a lot of it has to do with the type of soil that we have. Now, I know you've all heard about this wonderful Georgia red clay, you know, the kind that you can never get the stains out of your clothes. But that same soil also has characteristics that create a lot of problems for your foundation. And a lot of that has to do with the fact that it is very expansive in nature. There's not a lot of rock in it, and what happens is it is very susceptible to expanding when it gets wet and contracting when it dries. And that constant expansion and contraction creates a lot of settlement and shifting of your foundation, which can really cause a lot of foundation repair problems. Another reason that foundations leak, settle, and crack have to do with what we call the clay bowl effect. Now, this typically relates to homes that are built over dirt crawl spaces or have basement walls. When they over-excavate these lots to put these foundation walls in, then they put that loose backfill back against the wall, and they never really compact it as well as the virgin soil that was taken out in the first place. So what that causes is this loose backfill allows water to penetrate much more readily into the soil and really exacerbate that expansion and contraction of the soil, which creates the shifting and the settling and the pressure against the walls, causing all kinds of issues. So if you feel you have any of these issues, give us a call before it's too late. Have us out for a completely free inspection of your home and your foundation.